Hello girls, good morning everyone. So today class is types and function of endoplasmic reticulum. So yesterday we discussed endoplasmic reticulum part 1. Okay, so in that we discussed what is mean by endoplasmic reticulum and the discoveries and the structure, right? So using that basic information we are going to discuss today is endoplasmic reticulum types and function. Okay, so now we are starting the types and function of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, types. So here endoplasmic reticulum basically two types. Okay, based on what? Based on presence and absence of ribosomes. Based on presence and absence of ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Okay, so first one RER, second one SER. RER, it means rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some difference between this RER and SER, so you can understand easily. RER, it means rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER, it means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here, what is the basic difference between RER and SER? As I told you, we are differentiating them based on presence and absence of ribosomes. Okay, so I'm starting the difference between these two. Okay, so first one, what the difference between RER and SER? So here RER, it is made up of cisternae. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae. SER is made up of tubule. Okay, so yesterday we discussed cisternae, okay, which is closer to nuclear membrane because the cisternae structure is formed by the evagination of nuclear membrane, right? So that's why it is closer to nuclear membrane. SER is made up of tubule. This tubule, after losing the ribosomes present on the cisternae, okay, the ribosomes are studied on a layer upper surface of the cisternae, no? So that ribosomes, whenever it loses, then it leads to a tubule. Okay, the structures we call tubules. Okay, so these tubules will form SER. So here rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is made up of cisternae, which is closer to nuclear membrane. Okay, here the SER is made up of tubule, which is closer to what we discussed yesterday, plasma membrane, PM. Okay, which is closer to plasma membrane, it is closer to nuclear membrane. Okay, so here RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is studded with ribosomes on its surface. Okay, on its surface it is studded with ribosomes, RER. And here what about the SER? Sorry. So here no ribosomes present on smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the name itself tells. Smooth means what? Smooth. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough we call because something it is there on their surface layer. So that's why What is there? Ribosomes. So ribosomes are studied on the surface of the RER. So that's why they are rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosomes. Okay, so these are some basic information. These are the basic differences between these two. Next, RER, it will be helps in protein synthesis. As we know, already we discussed that the layer upper surface of this RER is studied with the ribosomes now. So the main function of ribosomes is synthesis of proteins. Okay, protein synthesis will be takes place by the ribosomes now. So it helps in protein synthesis. RER helps in protein synthesis, and not only the protein production, also it will be transported. Okay, whatever the protein is synthesized or produced, it will be transported. Transport. Okay, here SCR doesn't have any ribosomes, so no protein synthesis. Then what is the function of SCR? It will helps in lipid synthesis. It helps in lipid synthesis. You know, lipids, fats. Okay, so next, here this RER not only helps in the protein synthesis and transport of these proteins, it, because we said no, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is made up of cisternae. Cisternae, it is made up of the double nuclear membrane. That means it is made up of nuclear membrane, no, it is closer to the nucleus, no, so it has an opening from nucleus. So whatever the important matter is present inside the nucleus, it will be transferred outside to the cytoplasm or to the other cell organelles through the cisternae or the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum also helps in transport of nucleus matter. Okay, whatever the important matter or substance present in the nucleus will be transported by RER. What about the SCR? Here SCR, it forms desmotubules. Okay, SCR makes the desmotubules. Here, what is the desmotubules? Actually, these desmotubules are nothing but the strands of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so these desmotubules runs through plasmodesmata. These desmotubules which run through the plasmodesmata. What is meant by plasmodesmata? Plasmodesmata is nothing but strands which connects adjacent cells. Okay, that means between two cells cytoplasm there is a connection called plasmodesmata, in which that plasmodesmata, the desmotubules are running. Okay, it will be present inside that plasmodesmata strands. Okay, next, here the important, if the RER it will be helpful in the protein synthesis. Okay, due to it the ribosomes are studied on the surface of this RER, but here no ribosomes, it helps only in the synthesis of lipid. Okay, but some more other functions are present in SCR. What is that? This SCR helps in, otherwise we can say SCR, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, has also another term, that is sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Why we call sarcoplasmic reticulum? Sarco means something it related to the muscle. Okay, that means in the muscle cell, this endoplasmic reticulum is termed as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum in muscle cell, it is termed as sarcoplasmic reticulum because sarco means muscle. Okay, plasmic means something is related to the cytoplasm. Reticulum means, you know, the network like structures. Okay, so inside the muscle are network like structures we call sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the term we have given like that. So here, so this sarcoplasmic reticulum will be helpful in conduction of motor nerve impulse. Okay, so that means SCR involves in the conduction of motor nerve impulse. Okay, so here we have turned to the another page because so many points are there. Okay, so now we are discussing SCR involved in conduction of motor nerve impulse, okay, in the muscles. Okay, so here not only that, another main function in the muscle is it remove the lactic acid. Okay, what do you mean by lactic acid? This lactic acid actually synthesized or produced during anaerobic breakdown of glucose. Okay, anaerobic breakdown of glucose. During this process the lactic acid will be produced. Okay, so this lactic acid, if it accumulates, the muscles get fatigue. Okay, the muscles get fatigue. So to not causing this condition, what happen? SCR will help removing the lactic acid, okay, which is produced during anaerobic breakdown of glucose. Okay, clear? So this is the important function by SCR. Next, one more important function is there by SCR. What is that? Detoxification. Toxification means something related to toxin, right? Detoxification means what? It removes the toxic material also. It removes or it involves in toxic elimination. Okay, so this is also one more important function of SCR. And one more last function by SCR is glycogenolysis. Glycogen, you know, glycogen lysis means breaking, so glycogenolysis. Okay, so this glycogenolysis specially takes place in liver cells. Okay, so this glycogenolysis takes place by the SCR, especially in liver cells. Okay, so these are the important functions took place by the SCR. Coming to the RER, we have to know here RER, by removing or losing ribosomes, it get converted into SER. This SER will be involved in the formation of Golgi body. Golgi body involves in the formation of primary lysosomes. So these primary lysosomes helps in the taking these primary lysosomes will be helpful in taking food particles, important food particles, and the other waste material which is not actually important to the cell will be eliminated through the exocytosis. So it undergo exocytosis. Okay, so this entire thing makes up the membrane part. Okay, so that means here the endoplasmic reticulum is involving in the transformation of membrane. Okay, so this entire process we can say as GERL system. Okay, GERL system. G means Golgi body, ER means endoplasmic reticulum, L means lysosome. Okay, so like this, one cell organelle is linked up with another cell organelle in the formation, okay, of the product. So this is a GRL system. We'll discuss later, okay, when we discuss other cell organelles. Now we'll take up some important cells in which the RER is present. Okay, so first the important cells we are going to discuss is fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells, actually these cells will involve in the production of two important proteins called collagen and elastin. Okay, so here the cells which involves in protein synthesis, in that cells more RER will be present. Okay, so the best example fibroblast cells which involve in the production of proteins called collagen and elastin. Another best example which we can give as beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Sorry if you are not getting my handwriting, just to keep watching my video. So here these are the examples for the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then what examples we can give for the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? So first we can give example adipocyte cells. Adipocytes. Okay, so adipocyte cells which produce fat as well as store the fat. Okay, so SCR actually involves in the lipid synthesis. Lipids means fats. Okay, so in the adipocyte cells most of this SCR will be present. It involves in the production of fat and storing of cells. Okay, another best example we can give here, we already discussed SCR involves in the glycogenolysis, especially in the liver cells. Okay, so in the liver cells also more amount of SCR will be present. Okay, and what example, other examples we can give? Some many examples are there. We can give adipocyte cells, liver cells. Okay, so like this many examples are there for the smooth endoplasmic reticulum also. Okay, so keep watching my video girls. If you are not understanding this video, please contact me and ask me the doubts. Okay, so these are the differences between SCR and RER. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you.